السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Math grade 7. Today we want to start in our curriculum, math curriculum. We are on model 1, professional relationship. Professional relationship. Today we have the first lesson, unit rates involving ratios of fractions. We want to start to learn what the meaning of unit rates involving ratios fractions, the first lesson. Now, I want from all to prepare your notebook. We have some exercises. We want to do it. Please write in your notebook this question, divide, write in simplest form. Then here we have 4 exercises. I want from all to write it and to try to solve it. Then Clear? Clear for all? And always when you have mixed number, try to change it to the fraction. Okay, let us check together. The first one here we have 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 4 means we have fraction divided by fraction. Here we have rule. As you remember, the rule said keep, then change, then flip. So keep the same numerator. The first number here, keep the same fraction. Then change the operation here. Here we have divide. What is the opposite of operation? Of multiply. Great. So change it to the multiply. Then this is here the denominator. Flip or find the reciprocal. Flip 1 over 4 will be 4 over 1. Flip means put numerator in the denominator and take the numerator to the numerator. Then here we have multiply. How to multiply two fractions? Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 2 times 4, 8. And 3 times 1, 3. So the answer will be 8 over 3. 8 over 3. Always when the numerator is greater than the denominator means we can write this fraction as a mixed number. How? Using long division. Take 8, divide by 3. Which number times 3 equal 8 or close to 8? 2. 2 times 3 will be 6. 8 minus 6 will be 2. So we can write the answer. Take the result means the whole number. And the remainder here means the numerator. And put here the denominator. Means the answer will be 2 and 2 over 3. The answer will be 2 and 2 over 3. Okay? Write the right solution, and then I will explain the next one. Finish? Fine. I will explain the next one. So when I see divide between two fractions, what is the rule? Who can remember us? What is the rule? The first step, keep 7/8, great. Then what I do in the operation here? Change to the multiplication, great. Then the next fraction, flip. 3/4 will be 4/3. Okay? How to multiply two fractions here? What I do? Great. 7 times 4 will be 28. And 8 times 3, 24. Now here we have a fraction. Is this fraction simplified, or we can do, or I can do here simplest form? We can. But who can tell me what is the GCF between 28 and 24? Which number can be divided 28 and 24 at the same time? 6. 6 can be divided 24, but cannot divide 28. 7 can be divided 28, but cannot divide 20. So, what is the suitable number, the GCF between 28 and 24? 4. The GCF will be 4. So, divide up by 4, divide down by 4. 28 divided by 4 will be 7. And 24 divided by 4 will be 6. Who has any question here? Okay. Write the solution, please. Finish? Okay. The third exercise, we have 1 and 3/5. Divide by 2. Who can remember us? What is the name of this form? What is the name of this form? 1 and 3/5. What is the name of this form? Is it a fraction? Is it fraction or not? So what is the name? Mixed number. The name of mixed number. When you see whole number and the fraction at the same time, means we have mixed number. We have mixed number. طيب. What do I do here in this problem? How to solve this problem? Always when you see mixed number, change it to the fraction. Change it to the fraction. How to change it to the fraction? Take the whole number, multiply by the denominator. Take the whole number, multiply by the denominator. 1 times 5, 5. 5 plus 3 will be 8. So 1 times 5, 5. 5 plus 3 will be 8. Over 5. Over 5. Then here we have divide by 2. Then now we have fraction divide by number. We use the same rule. We use the same rule. The rule said keep, then change, then flip. So keep means keep the first fraction, the numerator, 8 over 5. Then change the operation. Then here we have to flip. Flip means 1 over 2. Then how to multiply the two fractions? Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 8 times 1 will be 8, and 5 times 2 will be 10. Who can tell me now, is this fraction simplified or need to do simplest form? Is it simplified? Is this form simplified, or we need to do simplest form? We need to do simplest form. Great. Who can tell me what is the GCF between 8 and 10? Which number can divide 8 and 10 at the same time? Great. So the GCF here will be 2. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. Sheikh, 8 divided by 2 will be excellent. And the Yazia, 10 divided by 2 will be? Which number times 2 will be 10? If you have 10 dirham and you want to divide it to the two equal pieces, each piece how many?
Mr. I'm Alia, can I answer?
10 دراهم بدك تقسميها نصين، قديش يطلع في النص؟ 2 معك 10 دراهم، قلت لك اعطيني نصهم، قديش بتعطيني؟ 5 صح؟ صح؟ معناتها هلا 10 ديفايد باي 2 شو رح تعطيني؟ 5. 4 over 5. Is this form simplified? Yes. Because the GCF between 4 and 5 will be 1. The GCF between 4 and 5 will be 1. Who has any question here? But write the solution, please. Finish? Okay. Now we have 3 and 5 over 6 divide by 1 and 1 over 3. Right. I want from all to try to solve it. The first step, change from mixed number to the fraction. then do divide. Start, please. Read your first. At the first, here as you see, you have mixed number. Change to the fraction 3 times 6 plus 5. 3 times 6 plus 5 over 6. And here the same idea. Then do divide between them. Use the rule. Keep, then change, then flip. Okay, Gazia? Try to solve it, please.
Mr. I'm Ali. I got the answer. Mister? Mister, I'm Ali. I got the answer.
Finish, Sheikha. What is your answer? What is your answer here? Try to solve it. And the first step, try to change from mixed number to the fraction. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 5 over 6. So the first step, I want to change Aliazia from mixed number to the fraction. What I do, the rule said, take the whole number, multiply by the denominator. 3 times 6 will be 18. Then add the numerator. 18 plus 5 will be 23. over 6 over the same denominator. Divide. Here the same idea. 1 times 3, 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4 over 3. Then here we have 23 over 6. Change to the multiplication, then flip. 4 over 3 will be 3 over 2. How to multiply two fractions? What I do? What I do, Shamsa, to multiply two fractions? Right. Multiply numerator by numerator, then denominator by denominator. So 23 times 3 will be 69, and 6 times 4 will be 24. Now, is this fraction simplified, or we need to do simplest form? Simplest form. Who can tell me what is the GCF again? Do you remember how to find the GCF? Sheikha, do you remember how to find the GCF? طيب. Yazia, طيب. Listen to me, I will revise this idea. When you want to find the GCF, here we have two numbers. Take 69, then analyze. Analyze the number. Here we have 69 divided by 3. Divided by 3. When you divide it by 3, will be what? 23. Now 23 prime number divide by itself. Divide by 23 will be 1. So we can write here 69 equal 3 times 23. Then 24, as you remember, you can use the 3 method. Give me the two numbers, the product of them will be 24. We have 6 and 4, for example, 6 and 4. Or you can write 2 times 12 or 3 times 8. So I will use here 6 times 4 and 6 equal 2 times 3 and 4 equal 2 times 2. So the factors, we have 1, 2, 3 means 2 exponent 3 times 3. What is the common between them? What is the common factor? As you see here, we have 3 common. There is a 3 in the 69 and there is a 3 in the 24. Means the GCF equal 3. So we want to simplify this form. Divide up by the GCF, divide here by 3. And the Aliasia divide here by 3. $69 divided by 3 will be what? Will be 23. And 24 divided by 3 will be what? Will be 8. So the answer, Ya Shamsa, will be 23 over 8. Are you understand? Very well. Finish?
Yes, Mr.
Sheikha, finish? Yes, yeah, finish. Clear for all? Stop on this idea, inshallah. Tomorrow we will continue this lesson. Here we have Alia. Do you have any question? Rawda Nuaimi, do you have any question? Yes?
No, Mister.
This is
Thank
your voice.
you.
What is the name of this lesson? Okay. The name of this lesson, Ya Sheikha, what is the name of this lesson? Right, you can write the name, unit, rates involving ratios of fractions. This is the first lesson in the first model in our curriculum. Okay, so this is our lesson today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah.